Guess what? Anna, guess what? Guess what? She didn't say what. She's not saying what. I think she's mad. Anna's mad. She's mad. Anna, why are you mad? Why are you mad? Yeah, she's definitely mad. She is mad. I don't know why she's mad. But she won't admit she's mad, but I know she is mad. Jeez, Anna, gosh, why are you so angry? Okay, so it's been about 20 seconds and Anna is still mad at me. You know, I don't know why she's mad. Did you hear her yell at me? Did you hear her? Yeah, she yelled at me. And she yelled at me loud. She is mad. Mad. That girl is crazy. I can almost see it. That dream I'm dreaming. There's a voice inside.